Hi! In today's video, I'm quickly going to fix the responsiveness of an external mic connected to an iPhone while being working perfectly with any other devices like cameras, Android phones, laptops or PCs. I have faced the same problem back then when I started my YouTube channel 4 months ago, and the solution is easier than you think. So your external mic is only not working with your iPhone. You might have tried different solutions, but none of them worked. Like, you went Amazon and bought a 3.5 headphone jack to lightning adapter, and then you connected your mic to your iPhone using the TRRS smartphone cable, but not working. Maybe you have returned the mic and ordered another one because you thought the mic is defected, or you thought that your iPhone is damaged while seeing other people enjoying the same mics on their iPhones, laptops, Android phones without any problem. However, let me tell you, the solution is easier than you think, and it's because the Lightning to 3.5 headphone jack adapter is not MFI certified. So what's an MFI certification? An MFI certification is the abbreviation for made for iPhone, iPod, iPad. It's the way that Apple used to tell you that this Lightning connector meets the production standards and is approved by her for a safe use on your device. Therefore, MFI certification is important to differentiate between high and low quality accessories to avoid the following problems. Your iOS device could become damaged, the connector end might fall off and get very hot or might not fit properly into your device, and you might not be able to sync or charge your device. And one of the most obvious reasons that accessories manufacturers should pay Apple some fees for every certified accessory. For that, buy an approved MFI Lightning to 3.5 headphone jack connector that has the following logo on the box to fix the problem. I will keep the one that I have bought in the description. And another way to fix the problem is to like and sub to the channel. That would be a spicy solution. And now enjoy your mic and start making videos. Don't choose wrong, don't burn your expensive devices with cheap adapters. See you in the next video. Peace!